Hi guys, welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your BIOS setting without having to open up your computer. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Now, I'm on the boot setting, and to get to the boot setting, before your window loads, before the window screen comes on, you're going to want to tap on your keyboard some keys to get into this boot setting that you're seeing on my screen right now. And you might need to press between the escape key, F2, F4, F8, or F12. Those are the primary keys that I've seen, but it depends on your computer manufacturer. For your specific computer, you might want to just do a Google search and search how to boot into BIOS and type in your manufacturer's name. And then once you have that key, you want to keep tapping that key right before it boots up into Windows. And then you'll get to the boot screen that you're seeing right now. So now that we're at the boot screen, let's jump into it. So on your keyboard, you're going to want to use the down arrow to go down to Enter Setup and then click Enter. And then you're going to use the right arrow on your keyboard to scroll. And then we're actually looking for Setup Defaults. So if you look at the bottom of my screen, it says that F9 is the setup default. So on my computer is F9. So it might be something else for you. So I'm going to click F9 and then click Enter since it's actually on yes. And then we want to do save and exit. On the bottom of my computer screen, it says that's F10. So I'm going to press F10 and press Enter since it already says yes to save my configuration. Now the Windows is rebooting and it's going to launch, the computer is rebooting and it's going to launch into Windows, and the BIOS should be reset at this point. I hope this video was helpful for you. Talk to you in the next video.